Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Dear scholars and academic enthusiasts, I am Vimal Kumar, proudly associated with IIM Trichy as an alumnus, and IIM Calcutta as a faculty member. Today, I pose a reflective question that if given an opportunity, would I pursue a PhD again at IIM Trichy? The answer for this question is an emphatic yes, without a shred of doubt. Here are my three compelling reasons for the same. The first one is, of course, an exceptional faculty cohort. The faculty at IIM Trichy is not just educators, they are pioneers in their field. With diverse background and rich expertise, they offer a spectrum of courses that are perfectly balanced academic rigor with real-world applicability. Their dedication to academic excellence is unparalleled, and their commitment to the student success is evident in their approach. As a PhD candidate under their mentorship, I was not merely a student, but a protege, rigorously guided and nurtured to reach my full potential. The second compelling reason for me is the state-of-the-art campus. Particularly, at the core of IIM Trichy lies the Learning Resource Center, capably led by Mr. Dr. Elavalagan, the Chief Knowledge Officer. This center transcends the traditional library role, serving as a dynamic hub of intellectual activity. It provides access to extensive resources and creates an environment conducive to thoughtful research and reflection. The campus itself, with its serene landscapes intertwined with modern facilities, is designed to nurture both academic pursuit and the personal growth. The third compelling reason for me is the unwavering support by the admin staff. IIM Trichy's commitment to supporting its PhD students is exemplary. The institute offers a generous stipend to alleviate financial worries and provides opportunity for international conference participation, expanding academic perspectives. Furthermore, the doctoral office headed by Professor Sirish Gowda and ably supported by Mr. Senthil Kumar is always accessible, addressing any concerns doctoral scholars might have. So in conclusion, IIM Trichy's PhD program is more than just an academic course. It's a journey of transformation, preparing you to be a part of next generation scholars and leaders. If you are seeking a nurturing environment that promotes intellectual growth, offers robust support, and upholds academic excellence, then IIM Trichy is your destination. I would urge you to embark on this transformative journey where your academic aspirations can become a reality. I wish you a very good luck. Thank you.